Welcome to this tutorial video on exploring the C code block feature of Simba. This feature can help you to write your logics, implement the digital control, write equations using C code. Here, we are going to write a code in C block for an RC circuit also present in the schematic. First of all, we will create a simple RC circuit with a time constraint of 1 millisecond, then run the simulation and check the results. To implement the C code block, you need to go on Libraries, click on C code and add it to the schematic. After, you will have to implement parameters such as the number of input and output. For this example, for the number of inputs and outputs will be set at 1. We will use a constant block from library and add it to the C code. Then set the value of the C block as 100, because we need to keep the DC source of 100 voltage. Now, edit the C block and add the equation for RC circuit in the form of C code. Click on the C code and click on Edit, copy, paste your code with the main equation. Now you can run your simulation and check your results. You can verify it by comparing the output of C code block and the circuit drawn. Click on C1 voltage to analyze the results from the circuit and compare it by clicking on New Chart and then select C2 output. As you can see, both the results are same, which means that you can the same behavior using this C code block. This concludes the tutorial video on the use of C code block feature of Simba.